This is RoombaVex. It's a Roomba vacuum with a Cortex controller mounted on it and a cable going from the UART 1 port of the Cortex to the control port of the Roomba. A hole is drilled through the bezel to make room for the connector to enter the control connector. The Vex game controller is powered off an auxiliary battery for life and can instruct the Cortex to drive the Roomba, or can tell the Cortex to begin autonomous control of the Roomba. We can start the program running by telling it to connect, and it beeps to tell that it's connected, and at that point it's under teleoperation mode, and you can steer it and drive it. There's also a autonomous mode which does a bump turn algorithm activated by the front button. We'll click it and away it goes. The Roomba runs for a while until it either hits something, in which case it backs off and does a random turn and then heads in a new direction, or after it's run for a certain amount of time, it will do a surveillance spin. And look around to see what it can see. The surveillance spin. This is the basic bump turn mode. Adding to that, we can mount a chumby with a video webcam on it. Now we're adding the chumby to provide surveillance webcam access. This is a regular chumby, but slightly modified by adding a USB hub on the back to allow us to connect a Wi-Fi card and a webcam. The Wi-Fi card is not, USB Wi-Fi card is not mandatory, but it's desirable if your Wi-Fi signal strength is low, because the Wi-Fi card that comes pre-installed in chumby doesn't have very good reception. So I added a high strength Wi-Fi receiver. To install it, we simply sit the chumby on top of the Roomba and plug the webcam in, mount the webcam on a Velcro, and load the software as described in the article. Now we're ready to watch chumby watch the video from chumby as Roomba does its surveillance. In this configuration, Roomba has the chumby on it, and the chumby is powered off of a 16 volt to 5 volt converter inside this box of electronics. It pulls 16 volts off the Roomba battery and provides stable power for the chumby. The chumby is wired to the webcam mounted on the front of the robot. We'll send Chumby on his way.